Hi, it's John at Costa Mesa R&D. Today we've just finished up a little project for the Nissan Museum back in Tennessee. They sent us these little pistons out here. This is out of a 37 or 38 Datsun Roadster, I believe. And they had a problem with the pins being loose in the pistons, and also they were loose in the rods. And if you check out these rods, they're all aluminum, which is, I guess, kind of typical maybe back then. But what is typical of the 30s is the little scoop on the bottom of the rod that actually dips through a trough, and this is what's called a splash fed lubrication system, where it just picks up a little bit of oil and squeezes it up in there between the rod and the crank to lubricate things. Has a small little hole on the top of the rod for pin lubrication, and what we did was to take and machine the pistons and the rods 1 millimeter oversized, so we had to get some special pins and we had to trim them down. And because we didn't have a good supplier or a good way to retain the piston pin in the piston, I actually made some pin buttons and put in the pins that I modified, and that's what will keep the thing centered in the cylinder, and that's how this is going to work. We used to do this a lot on race cars back in the day, and we've kind of gone away from it, but it certainly is a good way to hold a pin and a piston when you have limited options here. If you have questions about specialty work, give me a call here at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.